All right, everybody. Here at Dave's Garage. Had a long ride today. We got over about 220 miles on the bike now, so I'm turn this fan off just to make it a little less noisy. So I've just done the first oil change. I do them early. I do them often. I do them more often than the manual calls for. So anybody that's like, you gotta wait to 600, you don't. The motor's broken in after 100. I don't really get onto it till it's closer to 125, 150, and then I just change oil, put in a new filter, and it's go time. So that's what a lot of people do these days. It's not the 1970s anymore. It doesn't take 600 miles of low RPM to break things in. So, but we've gone ahead and basically new filter. Had that safety wired. I'm using a high flow HF204RC. And then we've got a safety wire here. I do need to top off the oil when it's done. Takes a little over 4 quarts. When you first pour it in, it's not in the filter yet, so you gotta let it run for a couple minutes, circulate, and then I let it drain all the way back down. So I'll let it sit for a couple hours or even wait till the next morning. Right now it's halfway through the glass, so I'm in the range. So I'm gonna see how it comes, where it settles overnight, and if I need to top it off, I will. So 220 miles, oil change is done. At this point, it's game on. Check the tire pressures, check the brake fluid, everything's good. Check the torque on wheels and things like that. Tighten the chain, clean the back wheel, oil the chain. That's it. This thing's ready to go. I do have a tail tidy. It's a billet universal, so you can kind of adjust it and stuff. And this whole stalk will come off, and then this smaller one will go on here. And you get it exactly kind of at the angle that you want and all that stuff, and then mount up your plate. Came with some sequential LEDs. I'll put links to those when I do the install. I'm not going to do it tonight. I'm going to go in the house and relax. It's actually hot out here. I mean, I am wearing my Under Armour, so, but it's like 70-something degrees and sunny here in the garage, and I'm wearing cold weather gear, so it's kind of hot. There's a video coming of this thing riding up in the mountains today. It has exceeded my expectations. I won't spoil it by I have commentary while I'm riding, but this thing is definitely it's awesome, and so is that, and that, and that. Anyway, that's Dave's Garage. I'm tired. I'm probably a little dehydrated. I'm gonna go grab some Gatorade and start crunching video from today. So we'll see everybody. We'll go over again, at some point what the first oil change is like on this thing. The beauty of it is the filter's right there, the plug's on the bottom. If you can change the oil on any bike, this is one of the easiest. The only thing is next time I'm gonna lay a piece of tin foil over the header there so that all the oil doesn't drip on it. Because of course when I first started up, even though I sprayed it all with brake cleaner to clean it, you still got a bunch of smoke. Had to burn the oil off. So next time I'll just wrap some tin foil or saran wrap or something like that over it. That's all I got. Look soon for some riding video. We got some good stuff coming today.